Alright, we got a rainy work day on a Sunday afternoon. Lovely. I'm going to go ahead and make my way into work. I will talk with you guys later. Alright guys. Rainy work day, but I got to stay in and pick until it was time to leave. So, very nice. Yeah, Sunday's a pretty good day to work. You know, I mean, I would rather be off, but, you know, church service and working after, ain't too bad. Alright, so, pick of the day. Actually don't have a pick of the day, but the drink of the day, which I think I've actually done the blueberry pomegranate before. So this is like a repeat. Sorry about that. And we have the product of the day is the Russel Stover sugar-free bites blueberry. And these were actually from the discount aisle. They have like a little section where you can get stuff. This is like 69 cents. And this is normally like $4. I got it for like $2.29. And another product that I'm really excited about is this Halo ice cream, the Mochi green tea. Alright, well, I'm going to start making my way home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are having a very fantastic start to your week.